Good morning, students. This is class 7th. Today we will study acid, bases, and salts. What are acids? Many substances that we come across in our daily life have different properties. One major difference among them is whether they are acidic or basic in nature. Acids. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acre, that means sour. The substances that taste sour are called acidic. Taste of an acid is sour. There are many substances that contain acid and so taste sour. As for example, lemon, curd, pickles, orange juice, vinegar, etc. Acids are organic acid and inorganic acids. The acid which are found in plants and animals called organic acid, they are weak acid also. And the acid which are found in minerals produced from minerals are called mineral acids, and inorganic acid strong acids. As organic acid, acetic acid, malic acid, oxalic acid, ascorbic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. Mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar, malic acid is found in apple, oxalic acid found in spinach, ascorbic acid found in amla, citric acid found in citrus fruits, lemon, orange, etc. Tartaric acid is found in grapes, tamarind, unripe mangoes. Lactic acid is found in curd. Some acids are also present in our body. As hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach, lactic acid is produced in our muscles during vigorous exercise, and uric acid is produced in our body when it breaks down some substances. Naturally occurring acid produced by plants except hydrochloric acid are called organic acid. The acid which are prepared with minerals called as nitric acid, sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, these are called inorganic acid, mineral acids. Usage of acids. Acids have many uses. As hydrochloric acid is used to clean wash basins and other sanitary, it is also used as a reagent in laboratories. Sulfuric acid is used in automobile batteries and in industries. Goldsmiths use nitric acid to clean jewelry. Bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Substances like baking soda are bitter in taste due to presence of bases in them. If we rub the solution of baking soda with the fingers, it feels soapy. Soap solution, washing soda and other are examples of bases. The chemical nature of substances that contain base is said to be basic. Some common bases are calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is called milk of magnesia. The chemical nature of substances which contain base called basic in nature. Many bases don't dissolve in water, but some bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide dissolve in water. So the bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Usage of bases: soap, textile, plastic, and many other industries. Bases are used. Petroleum refining, cleaning processes, bases are used. In the form of antacid in medical science, bases are used. I hope you have understood the topic acid and base. In next class, we will study about indicators, means the substance which indicate the property of acid and base are called indicator. They are of two types, natural indicator and artificial indicator, synthetic. We will study about this in next class in detail. So you learn the properties and definition of acid base.